turning. It's coming on. Turn that light off. Turn the switch off. It's loosening right now. Both welds are very bad. There it comes. There's one on. Got one. Now all I do is get the other one. Up here. No. Yeah, it's gotta go on next. Okay. Get it up. Hold it. Get it up. I get this nut. Oh, yeah. I gotta start it. Now we got it up there. Turn it on.
Is it on there tight enough?
Yeah. Turn it on.
Yep.
I'll make sure it's tight enough now. You can't turn it any tighter.
Okay.